can't believe how time flies. It feels like we were just here.
What? Feels like ages since we were here. Sarah was off at a medical conference, so I've been on my own with the kids for the past week. It was a week that seemed like a month.
Well, fast or slow, we're here now.
I'm just happy to be speaking with grown-ups.
Okay, John, we get it. You're all kitted out.
Okay, you're right. I'll stop complaining. I actually want to ask you all about technical analysis. We talked last time about my investing in tech stocks that I think will do well. What I focus on is their fundamentals. I don't use any technicals. I've been thinking that I should overlay technical analysis on my investment decisions. What do you guys think about technical analysis, and what are the best technical indicators to use?
Whoa there, John. I thought we came here to ask these guys to manage our money. Why are you asking about other ways to invest?
Just an area I'm interested in and want more information about, and who better to ask than these guys?
You know what I'm interested in? Their investing ideas. It'd be great if you could give us a stock and bond that you would recommend that we invest in.
I'd be interested in that too.
Excellent. I also realize worrying about my mom's finances doesn't make much sense, but what should I do to get more information so we can be better prepared? Could you look into a few things for me? I don't exactly know how much my mom has, and I wouldn't want to pry by asking her. But when I was speaking with her about a year ago, she mentioned she had $1.5 million in savings. How long do you think that will last her? As I said, she owns her own townhome, which I guess is also worth about $1.5 million. Her expenses are fairly modest, like food and entertainment. Secondly, what's the cost of a private nursing home in Toronto? I'm not saying that she needs one or that we'd even put her in one, but it'd be nice to know in case we think about it down the road. Lastly, should I be pushing her to sign those documents that give me and John say over her health and finances?
You mean power of attorney?
Yeah, that's it. I don't understand all the implications of it, but given that she's on her own and I'm her only child, it makes sense.
We don't have powers of attorney for each other.
Maybe we're too young.
I'm not sure.
Well, we've taken up enough of your time today. We'll circle back again soon.
Bye.